Hi everybody, welcome into the international kitchen with Chef Yasin. Today we'll prepare, cook and finish seabass with sauce violote, turned potatoes and turned mushroom. And first we will prepare the fish. To prepare seabass, we cut from the head and then we go to the center where is the line and we cut the fish in this way. We press the knife until to down to don't lose the meat from the fish. Actually the knife should be very sharp, very careful, and then we cut it this way, cut it all, to have very nice piece of fillet, fish fillet. That's it, like that. You have nice slice of fish. And then we will take a pot, we will heat it. Put a little bit of olive oil and then we will put our mirepoix. Mirepoix based from onion, half onion or small full onion, carrot and celery. Put all the ingredients in the pot. Just break fish and we'll put it. We'll wait until the mirepoix starts cooking, starts grilling. And then we will add the rest of our fish. We'll put warm water, not too hot, not cold, just a bit warm. We'll put about 2 liter and a half, just about liter and a half. We put teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. And we will keep it until starts boiling, and we keep it for 20 minutes. And now we'll go to our base. After the fish stock is ready, we have the piece of seabass, fillet seabass. We have the stock we had made before. I had cooled it, whipping cream and egg yolk, big tablespoon of flour, big spoon of butter and garlic, turned potato, it's cooked already, turned mushrooms and fine diced mushrooms, and now we will start in our operation. We'll put a bit of olive oil in the pot. That's for the mushroom. We'll put 3 cloves fine diced garlic. The pot is very hot, so you have to be very careful and quick so don't burn it. And then we'll add diced mushrooms stir fry it. Reduce the heat and keep stir frying. We'll add our tuned mushrooms because it will take a time as it's full. It will need time to cook, so I will put it in the pot, and after that I will put it in the grill. Keep stirring. Use the heat and keep it. We'll add a bit of salt, just a bit, and a bit of black pepper. We stir everything together, and now we'll start preparing roux. We'll put the butter to melt carefully to don't burn the butter, and then we'll add big spoon of flour and we mix it together until it's coming like one base. Have to stir quickly. And now we will add about 2 big glasses of fish stock to make our violote, sauce violote. Sauce violote is French sauce. It's something similar to bechamel, but we are not using milk. We will use fish stock instead, and we will finish it with whipping cream and egg yolk. Keep stirring. Whisk it quickly until all the ingredients mixing together. Let flour and butter melting with stock. Fish stock was warm, so it's better to use it warm, not cold. Warm or hot, just not cold. Don't forget our mushrooms. Stir it carefully, you don't want to burn it. I'm not worried for it because I put the heat down. Then just tiny bit of salt and tiny bit of black pepper, as we put salt and pepper before in the fish stock. Keep stirring. This is whipping cream and egg yolk. We're mixing together. We will not put it now. We'll put it just when sauce is finishing cooking. When I put the heat down and start cooling a bit. Now I will season my fish, seabass. Put a little bit of salt and tiny bit of black pepper in 2 pieces. And just a tiny bit of olive oil. Just a bit. And then we will put the heat up for our grill. We'll put just a tiny bit of olive oil, and we will wait until the grill is hot. You can't put the fish when our grill is not hot, because it will stick in the plate. You have to look after all our cooking items. Don't forget anything, otherwise we will have burning food. Put our cooked and turned potatoes just to mark it in the grill, in the pan. Stir our sauce, and then we'll take the turned mushrooms to put them in the pan to mark it. It's cooked already now, just we need to mark it. Now we'll put seabass. The pan is very hot, so if we realize the seabass is getting going to the top, so we press a little bit, we press into the bottom like this. Or if we move the pan to the cold side until seabass starts taking its place in the pan. So for me, just I pressed the top of the seabass. Now we will add our whipping cream and egg yolk. As you see, I have switched off that side. Keep whisking. We see nice texture now, nice aroma. I don't use alcohol, I don't like alcohol, so if you like alcohol you can put the white wine or brandy. I think white wine is going better with this sauce and with seabass. Brandy is too sharp. We turn seabass, and then we'll have everything ready. Now after this we will go to plating. Now to plate, we will take the fine diced mushrooms. We will place it in the center of the plate. You can plate in any way you want, any way you like. You can do it even better. Plating is dependent of the plate. If it is big or round or square, I will add sauce violote. Have to be thin, not thick. Have to be in sauce texture. Sauce violote is nice sauce. You can use it with all fish dishes, and also you can plate it as soup. So place seabass on the top of mushrooms, and then turn potato and turned mushroom, and then I will put a slice of lemon on the top of seabass. This is the end of the plate. This is how it's look. You can plate in your way. I plate it in this way because I find it easy. I hope you enjoy it, hope you try it, and I hope you like it. If you like the dish of today, don't forget to press like and subscribe if you are not subscribing. Thanks.